Hi, this is Michael Eaton, and we are in the 8th part of the series Linux Basic Commands. In this video, let's try to learn the commands related to service management. In this, let's see how to start the service. Stop the service. Restart the service. Enable the service. Check the status. Check the available service. In the list, we also can see Reboot, Halt, etc. Let's go to the command terminal and see how to start the service. Let's take the package HTTPD. HTTPD is nothing but Apache HTTP server, and it's a web server which we are going to use in our coming sessions as well. Now let's see how to install first. With this command, we will try to install the package HTTPD. As we have already installed, there is no need of installing again. And usually, for every package, they'll have a starting point, and it's called as a service, which we have to enable it or start before using that particular service. And usually, the name of the service will be the same as the name of the package. Now, the service of HTTPD will be, we can start the service with the command system. Let's check whether it's enabled or it's started or not. We'll check with this HTTP. Here if you see active, it's inactive. That means it's not inactive. That means it's not started. So let's start this system. ctl start HTTP. Looks like it started. Let's check this. Systemctl status HTTP. Now if you see, it's loaded and it's actively running. And these are all the processes which are running in the foreground. Let's see the process list. Yes, here. Grep. See, we have seen this 15633, 15643, 15648, 50, 51, 52. These are all the processes related to HTTPD service, and the current process also we can able to see all the services here, right? Now let's stop the service with the same command, systemctl stop HTTP. Systemctl status. Now if you see, it is inactive. Right? And let's see whether any current process are running or not. nothing is, no process is running. And here we have seen how to start the service and how to stop the service also. Starting the service and enable the service. If you see the fourth point, enabling the service, what is the difference between starting and enabling the service is? When you start the service and if you are not enable the service, then after you reboot or shut down and start again your VM, it's not, the service is not going to start automatically. If you enable the service, then if you reboot your server and then it's automatically the service will be started. Okay, that is how you will do that is with this command system. Enable. So it's enabled, and when you shut down and start, or when you restart your machine, it's automatically the service is started, and there is no point for you to start it manually. Here we are using the command systemctl. We can only able to use this systemctl command to start or stop or restart the services if you are installing with the package with yum command, yum. And if you are not installing the packages like say binary distributions or source distributions are there, right? If you are installing the packages with the help of that, then you cannot use this systemctl command. So how you are going to start those services? Here if you see is user has been httpd or else. Here user lib is system httpd.service. You have to start this service manually from here. Okay. And when you are restarting your service is if there are if you have created or changed some configuration files related to web server, as we are talking taking the example of the web server httpd, and if you are changing some conf or configuration files, then you have to restart the web server without restarting your machine, so that all the changes will be active and you can check the changes. How you are going to do that is systemctl restart. This command you are going to restart the web server httpd, and your all changes will be coming to active. Now let's see what are the actual services available in this command system. ctl just units -t service. There are so many, either active or inactive or everything is there. These are all the services. So I'll grab httpd, our service. So httpd.service is the service which we are actually looking at it. If you are trying to look at something else, let's say Nginx. There's also one more web server which is not available, it's not installed, I guess. Then let's see Jenkins. Yes, Jenkins is installed, and that is the service. Jenkins.service is the one which we are actually looking at. Now you can check other options like reboot and halt, etc. to yourself. Reboot will restart the VM machine, and halt will go to the standby. Now let's see some other options, like to check whether it is active or enabled, etc. Let me check whether this is active or not. System CTL is active. Yes, it is active. Let me check whether it is enabled or not. Yes, it is enabled. Then let me disable it. CTL disable. So we have disabled it. Let me check whether it's enabled. It's disabled. Now how to enable it again? Let me try this. Okay. If we can re-enable it, let me check this. Yes, now it is enabled. The re-enable, we can re-enable the service which is already disabled, and we can check with the option is enabled whether it is enabled or not. Now let me check whether is failed or not. Yes, we have checked whether it's active or not. Let me check if it is failed. For this, let me say a different service because I have seen that is above it is failed, right? So I want to check that. So it's unknown. System whether it's failed or not is saying unknown. Okay. With this, I'll stop here and let's continue in the coming session about the commands related to network management. Okay. Thank you.